Hello friends, this is Shreya Bake's tuition class. Today we are going to learn State 8 Maths third lesson, indices and cube root. So see on the board. Today we are taking some important points. What are indices? So this is our points to remember. First, indices. The product of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 can be expressed as 3 to the power 4, in which 3 is the base. Here 3 is the base and 4 is its index. 4 is its index. So 3 to the power 4 is the index form of the number. This is the index form of the number. Now, laws of indices. First law is a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equals to a is its common base, and for multiplication we have to add indices m plus n. Second law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n here equals to a is the common base and both this power m minus n. Here we have to subtract for division. Now third law, into same bracket a multiplied by b. If these are two quantities and the common power is given as m, so equals to a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m, means both these bases has given common power. Now here next law is a to the power 0 equals to value we get as 1. Wherever we get 0 as a power, we get 1 as a common value. Now next law, fifth, a to the power minus m. Minus m means the power is negative, hence in that case equal to base we get common and the power we get 1 by m. For negative we have to write here 1 by m. Now sixth law, if a to the power m and again double power is given as different quantity n, then the value we get a as a common base, and for double power we have to multiply both the powers m multiplied by n here. M multiplied by n here. Now next law is 7, a by b. If both these quantity are in the fraction form and m this power is given, so we have to write a to the power m equals to b to the power m in the denominator. Now the eighth law, a by b, and for this fraction if negative power is given, so we get the value by inverse b by a. Numerator goes to the denominator and this denominator goes to the numerator, and the negative power removes and positive m power we get here. Now using laws of indices, write proper number in the following boxes. First example, 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 3 here equals to, write down 2 as a common base, 4 plus 3 we get 7 as a answer in the box. Second example, 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 8. Here we get 2 as a common base and 5 minus 8 means negative answer minus 3 in the box. Now third, 2 to the power 3 and double power 4 means we have to multiply it here. 2 as a common base, 3 4s are 12 is the answer in the box. Now next, 4 to the power minus 3. For negative power 4, 1 by 4, and we get 3 by removing this negative power 3 in the denominator, means 1 upon 4 to the power 3 in the denominator here. Now if we get 3 to the power 0 as a power, then we get equal to 1 as a value. Then 6, 3 to the power, if 1 as an index, we get only 3 as an answer. Now next 7, 3 into power into 4 into bracket, and the power is 2. Now we have to split these values. We have to split these values as 3 to the power 2 and again equal to 4, then 4 to the power also 2. We have to split this both the numbers out of this bracket. Now next here 8, 3 by 4 to the power 5, then 3 by 4. For 3 numerator, power is common 5 and 4 as a denominator, again this 5 common power we have to give here. Now 9th question, 3 by 4. If 3 by 4 and the power is negative minus 3, now we get as an answer, we have to inverse this number 4 by 3. 3 into denominator 4 in the numerator, and by removing minus here we get positive power 3. So note it down, all these questions, all these laws of indices and what is index. Note it down, all these definition and all the laws and examples. Thank you.